The University of Cincinnati Medical Center Pharmacy Residency Program was started in 1968 and first accredited by ASHP in 1974. The PharmD degree was the first to be offered around this time, and the first group of pharmacy residencies were being accredited across the United States. Today, our residents continue to benefit from these early pioneers as they carry on the responsibility to improve the lives and well-being of our patients and community, while also advancing our profession.
The reason I chose to do PGY1 residency at UC is because I wanted to go somewhere that I felt pharmacy was its most progressive.
It really checked all of the boxes of things I was looking for. It was a large academic medical center. There were really diverse opportunities in critical care.
All patients from all over the city, outside of the state, come here. And I felt like that was very, very important for me to experience all types of disease states, especially the complex and rare ones.
At UC Health, our purpose is to advance healing and to reduce suffering. We use the UC Health way and how we work and how we treat people to take care of our patients, to teach our residents and others, and to keep an engaged employee staff.
You should come to University of Cincinnati Medical Center for your residency training because we offer a challenging program that allows for your individual growth and development, as well as a cohort of peers who are growing alongside you.
At UCMC, our residents have the opportunity to be enveloped within the tripartite mission of clinical pharmacy, which includes patient care, teaching, and research. Our preceptors here are world-class and are passionate around providing you the tools that you hope to get out of your residency training to help prepare you for that next phase in your career.
I love to precept residents because of their motivation to learn. It's great to see new pharmacists learn to become independent practitioners.
It's passing the torch on to the incoming generation and showing them what can and can't be done and seeing them have that excitement at the end of accomplishment. It's really hard to find something that illuminates the day further for both me as a preceptor and for the resident.
The greatest benefit really is the integration that we have into the multidisciplinary team and how well respected and received pharmacy is here. And to be treated more like a peer as opposed to just an ancillary member of the team sometimes makes all the difference in your learning as well as the relationship and the care of the patient.
I've been an emergency physician at UC Health now for almost 25 years, and adding pharmacists to the mix in the emergency department has been a true godsend and a benefit to our patients and to our physicians alike.
So the first time I had ever been to Cincinnati was for my interview here, and I had no idea what to expect.
Cincinnati is a great big city with a very intimate feel. It really does have something for everyone. If you're interested in the arts, there's the Aronoff Center that has Broadway shows. If you're interested in food and entertainment, there's a really neat area of town called Over the Rhine that has really great restaurants and nightlife. If you're interested in outdoor activities, there's a lot of local parks like Sharon Woods and the Loveland Bike Trail.
I love it, being in the scene, being in the city. I feel like I'm one with the city and I can call it a second home.
It was really important for me to find a program that had very strong mentorship. And I felt supported as a resident, especially going to a completely new environment, far away from home, where I didn't know anybody. And what I found here was a family.
It's like we have our own family here, and that includes the trauma surgeons, that includes the emergency medicine physicians, that includes our pharmacy colleagues, all of our trainees, nurses.
With the high level of acuity that you see here at UCMC, it's really the perfect place to develop, and it's almost impossible to not become a really strong clinical pharmacist after you finish your training.
That's the integral benefits of being here, is that continual involvement, continual growth, relationships, all revolving around patient care and patient outcomes. And that is one thing I think that is unique about UCMC, and I will always carry forward with me into my own clinical practice.
We would be honored and excited if you decided to start your pharmacy career at UC Health.